Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have been itching to get out and find some inspiration outside. It is not quite spring yet, but we're having spring-like temperatures. So I'm gonna put together a kit, another kit to go outside. I found a little something and it's gonna fit everything perfectly. So stick around, let's see what I got. Okay, so I'm repurposing this palette. These are all Daniel Smith paints, but I want to use this in the kit I'm making, and I don't think I need this extra tray to go on there. So I'm just going to take some needle nose pliers, and I'm going to pull out these little wires that hold it in, if I can get a hold of it. I just had to get this at the right angle, so I turned it around and lifted this up. So if you have trouble with that, just try to poke it out from one end with, a skewer or something. Okay, so I took this off, and typically when I buy a metal palette, I buy Meeden palettes. And this will fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 24, 48 watercolors. Or if you put full pans, which I tend to go ahead and end up doing, I'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 24 full pans eventually. So I'm going to work my way towards that. And here you see a little bit of, I believe this is quinacridone burnt orange. And it's from a Daniel Smith stick. I think that is. And I have plenty of Daniel Smith sticks to fill in when I need to. Or I could put extra sticks just laying in here, but I really don't want to do that. So you've seen me in the past use these Magello palettes, and I like them. They're not lightweight and stuff, but they are considerably longer and don't fit into just a handheld travel kit very well. So I found this perfect thing to put a travel kit together, and this fits in it perfectly. So I'm going to use this as a starter, and I probably need to make a full pan of green. I'm going to fix this up, and I'll do that off camera because it'll take me forever. If you know my style, I am slow. So, but this is what I'll use, and I'll mark it as my Daniel Smith travel palette. So that will be good. Now let me show you what I got for a travel palette. It's genius. It's genius. I went into Marshall's. And was it Marshall's or TJ Maxx or one of those stores, and I found this Brookstone Dop kit. Now, you know what a Dop kit is. It's a shaving kit for a guy. And it's canvas. And it was $10, $9.99. I opened it up. It had these pockets. I've got so much storage in here that I don't even fill it all up. There's storage here. There's 2 bags here. There's a zipper bag here. You know, which this is perfect for, I've got a pencil, a micron, a white gel pen, a water brush, a Posca pen. Perfect. Typically, I don't use a bunch. I've got some washi tape in case I need it, which I typically don't tape my stuff off when I'm plein air. I just open my sketchbook and go right at it. A couple clips, a sponge, an eraser, because I don't like these red erasers that come on the end of these cheap mechanical pencils. So I put all that stuff in there. And then I do have my Princeton Neptune travel brushes. I love Princeton Neptune. It's what I use every day. So I have a set for water brushes. Oh, here's my dirty paper towel that I'm going to put back in there. I took some stuff out of another kit, my little backpack that I took to France, but I thought this is perfect. So I've got these Princeton Neptune water brushes in varying sizes, or travel brushes. This is a size 4, and up to a 10, I think 10 or a 12. This is a 10. So probably 4, 6, 8, and 10. So those would be good. And I thought, well, if I'm going to use regular travel brushes, and I just put them right here, then I'm going to need my Faber-Castell Travel Pop water container. And then I'll have a bottle of water or something. I think in my first adventure, I'm going to go to Cheddar's. I was inspired there. There was a arched wall. I'm going to put this. I think I'm just going to put that there. And then this sketchbook, which is from Lightwish, but it's got real cotton paper in it, and it's pretty nice, and it fits in here. And then I'm going to take my Daniel Smith water palette, or travel palette, and all that fits in there super well. Let me see if I can put this in here. Having a little bit of trouble. Put that back there. That way I won't get anything dirty if I put it back. Put this in here. And then close it up. Perfect. Perfect. And look, there's even more storage on the outside of the, So if you have any receipts or tickets or something you want to put in there to put in your journal, then you can pick it up and put it in there. So, and I think that Lightwish, let me see if there's a pocket in the back of that sketchbook. I just think this is a perfect. I never thought about a shaving kit for a travel kit. Yes, there's a pocket back here. This is called a Pontinate watercolor sketchbook. And I don't know what kind of paper is in here, but I have one that I'm using. It's textured. It looks to be cold pressed. And it's pretty good. It's pretty good. It's 100% cotton. Or at least that's what it says on the Amazon site. But it does. It feels like cotton. And First place I'm going to go is Cheddar's to sketch this brick archway. I'll show you here a picture of what I'm going to sketch. So what do you think about this idea? I think it just takes what you have, and for 10 more bucks, you can have a perfect carrying case. There's a little handle on the edge, on the bottom here. It carries perfectly, and I really like it. I think it's attractive. I think it looks upscale. Brookstone is a good brand. You know, TJ Maxx and Marshalls and all of them, they get things, brand name things, and I think this is perfect. You can get them all leather, you can get them all canvas. This is a little bit of both, and I think it just looks classy. So let me know what you think in the comments below, and if you'd like to see me update that palette and take the time, but let me know in the comments below, and I'll happily do it on camera for you. So talk to you later, guys. Hope you like this video. Bye.